Here I have OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly open settings, then go to the additional settings, then go to the language and region, keyboard and input method, then go to the Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. So let's pick for example Georgian, then tap done, and now let's try to write something down in Georgian language. And as you can see, now I have this Georgian keyboard on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.